him in, Joel. Yes, that's a fisherman. Bring him in, bring him in. Alright, you say a big one this year go catch you now. Alright, can't sit out to make us see now. Alright, lock it back now, lock it now. Yeah. You just put your finger there for feel when something dip on it. Okay. Yeah. As a fisherman. Yes, the man. Nice. Wagwan people, welcome back to another video. We're out here again for another fishing adventure. But today we have two guests with me. I try out them luck, see if them can hook up some fish. First time them I do some fishing. So I did that teach them some ropes. When I have video up on camera, show them how to tie the hook and how to shoot the rod. Alright? So you have tie and you have tie rod. So we're gonna see if them can catch some fish today. Cause I tell them say any man no catch some fish, go back home. Expect the driver. If the driver catch fish, or not catch some fish, he still can go home. But if nobody else no catch, them a go walk. So I have my rod, and I have my lure. I go cast out there right now and see if I can hook up anything. Alright? So now stay tuned. Where say happen, boss?
Get a pick.
You get a pick, then it off a bait?
Yeah.
Alright, that's a fisherman. So what kind of fish you say you go catch now?
Well, I catch a big one, you know.
Alright.
A big parrot.
Alright,
yeah.
sir.
One big parrot.
Alright, so I'm going to cast out my first cast, you know, see if I can hook up something. Alright, as a fisherman. I see a whole heap of bird in the sky, but none no start diving as yet. Alright, so what I gonna do? I gonna use some shrimp as well with them. I'm gonna use shrimp, set line, so I gonna do that. But I can't lure, but I ain't getting a pick or nothing like that. So I'm going to put on some shrimp and see if we can hook up something on the shrimp in idea. If we can hook up pompano or one of them type of fish there. I remember when I time I come out here, we catch some pompano jack. I could say we can catch two of them on the shrimp today. So now just go and lock it, alright? And remember people, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Right? So we are out here. Believe. Come in now people, we are catching fish now. Pan with shrimp. But we see what kind of fish we are going to catch. Out deep. We are waiting for a fish. Joel catch him first fish. The brother they done this, a man named catch him first fish. Which are one grouper, what you call it, poison grouper or then little small rock fish there. Him catch the first one, the next brother not catch none as yet. May I get pick here, sir? Wow, may I get pick? Alright. Like me have something on it. Feel like me have something on it, I'm not sure. No. I'm not there on it. Yeah, I think something did there on it a while ago now. Alright. I throw back at that spot there. throw back at that spot there. Right, them are picky. Just hook up on the good size one a while ago, you know, but him not get away. Get away to box cover. Right, you know, if you cut me, no blood, no leak out at all. Jaja no. I'm going to throw back the line out there again to see if I can catch him back. Or catch a family member. I'm there now a fishing group. I'm going to see one brother post this. If you watch a video, you know yourself. So, I'm going to test it out today and see if I can hook up no Silver King, like what you call them. Alright? So, I'm going to try out the lure here and see if we can hook up something on it. Alright? Let's do it. Alright, so I'm going to use this on the big lure, big rod. Okay. The next rod them I use up. So cast it out. So like how the lure here is so small, but I use it on the smaller rod and reel, but I guess them I use the rest of them, so just I use it on this one here. And test it out. See if I can hold a snook or something. Take my time really clean. Right, so the lure now works so good on the big rod here. So anytime we get back a small one, I'm going to try it again. So I go back to shrimp. I think we'll probably go try one different spot. Alright, here, so now cut it. So I think we are going to move on to one different spot. Because them fish are right there, so I just be eat them and eat after bait. So I'm going to go and lock in and watch out. What catch a yellow tail? Yeah! Joel catch him first fish. Watch them, man. Yeah! First one.
Check it out.
As the fisherman. That is it.
Wow.
Just hold it up, we can see it.
Pretty, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty. Beautiful fish.
That. As a fisherman. In Jamaica, don't it?
One down, time to go.
Yeah. So we decided we didn't move from that spot, but we now bother move because Joel catch the first one. What you say now?
Nice. Very happy. Beautiful fish. Really pretty. It's going to be tasty.
Yeah. Yes, no man. Guys, I'm going to catch my yellowtail snapper here now. Yo! Joel are going good, man. Catch a snapper, you know. I'm going to take up back my garbage, people. I'm just leave it right here, so. Whoa! One more from them, Joel. A snapper, you know. The one here is a dark teeth snapper. Yeah. You're going good, man. You catch your dinner, man.
Check him out.
You want to call it, Joel?
What's the secret?
I wish I knew.
Two that the man got and the people and me not gone none yet, you know. Me and the next brother not gone none yet, you know. But we're going to catch through one soon. There you watch the ocean. A while ago my lure stuck out in the water. A while ago my lure stuck out in the water. I have to go out the feed, look how I'm wet. But I think the camera did on, but the camera ain't on. So I use it on this now. So see lure what I use. Say I can hook up something on it. A snook or anything. But not much now I'm going today. Because the water so flat. Look on the sea water flat. I feel say if it did rougher than this, would have catch something on my lure. The shrimp nothing now return upon the shrimp. The next two man them catch something. So them I lucky one. I not no luck today. Alright, so now go and stay tuned. I go and lure. If anything we are gonna move from here, so I got one different spot. Joel I say sun too hot for him. Can't manage the sun because he can't manage Jamaica and eat. You don't know, say Jamaica hot and rough. So he's from London, so over there so cool. Jamaica I opposite. So him then I carry go and cool off. I see him so when black man did come here and me and him can do fishing. I see him so black man did run guide in a car and left me a Mackie to do fishing. Can't manage to eat. But as them saying, if you can't manage to eat in the kitchen, you come out. So I guess that I reach Joel right now, and that did reach Black Man the Traveler. But I go and do a thing same way. I just want one dive out there, so my loner dive still in brave. Right? we hear a story that brother say him catch. And say him catch one little one and he let him go, but me never get to video it. So I link me up and say them want to do some fishing. So people, if you don't want to do some fishing, I don't guarantee you don't catch some fish too. But if you don't know where fish them a bite and can carry me go, I would love that. So I say you catch. So you know what, go home?
No, I secure my drive. But I put it back because it was so small.
Okay, at least I catch one.
At least I get one, so I secure my ride.
Alright, see, I want securing ride already. So, I mean now to hook up something. So, I'm going to see if I can hook up one right now. So, go and stay tuned, alright? Scale of Joel 2 fish. When him catch, they're not that big. But him come and see come catch 2 snapper. He go on better than me, people. Cause I not catch one. Scale them and go up them. So the first one you catch the yellowtail snapper.
What a beautiful day. Thank you so much, Nigel. I've had a great time. It's been excellent. Thank you.
Yes, no man. As a fisherman, right?
Yeah, good. All good.
All
2
right.
fish, 1 got away. Maybe 2 or 3 got away.
Yes, no man. So yeah, people, was a great day. Although me not catch no fish, Joel catch all the fish time, but big him up. And remember, we catch you in the next adventure. We don't know which part we are going there as yet, but enough love and respect. If you don't want to come to fishing, just give me a link. Alright? Enough love.